Welcome to your local bike channel. I'm doing some weird shit because, you know, in order to launch this YouTube career that I'm working on, you gotta have some gimmicks. So I was on a single speed. So yeah, moving to 1x9 is the project today. So we'll probably time lapse a lot of that stuff. I've never done a bottom bracket change, so that'll be a new thing for me, and I'm excited to share that with you guys and kind of go in and do from components from either cheap components from Amazon that I'm like slowly getting rid of, because it turns out you kind of get what you pay for when it comes to bike parts. So moving everything to REI so that I have a longer return policy and higher quality parts from Amazon. Totally recommend it. Everything that you see here that I've been replacing has been coming from REI. That way if anything goes wrong, I can return it within a full year. And then also, you know, if I just have other needs, REI is going to be there for me. Also, name brand parts have warranties and things like that direct from the manufacturer that we can deal with. So it's a good thing. Finally got it done. And we'll see, that might bite me in the previous one was like, I'm not concerned about trying to tighten that until it makes contact to measure on the outside here. Maybe that's fine. I'm sure I won't notice it. There we go. Gosh.